Good morning, traders. It's Erica at Alpha E Trades. It is Tuesday, April 20th, almost 30 minutes into market open, and currently we're a little sideways. ES, we have negative 6 points, NQ just hit positive 8 points, RTY negative 15 points. So certainly overall bullish. However, yesterday on the 1440 chart, I had said to look for a little bit of a retracement. We threw in these Fibonacci's, and I said to pay attention to the 61.8. Indeed, that's kind of where we stalled. And we could see a little bit further back into the 76.4 at 41.21. So we'll see how this goes. It's the only thing I want to point out on the daily chart, but we do have another lower low, and we are currently holding on that 61.8. Okay, let's take a look here at this is the 4-hour or 240-minute chart on ES. Okay, now yesterday all of our target 1 and target 2 were met. Okay, target 1, I said we needed sellers. We're right here at 41.60. We needed to close below. That did happen. And then target 1 was 41.49, and target 2 was 41.39. Now we do have a target 3 still here, traders, at the 200 extension, 41.24. That is kind of in correlation on our 74.6 fib on the 1440 chart. However, though, take note, we could come down and test this 200 exponential moving average, this yellow line at 41.11. Now I do see, let's draw in another potential setup if this were. Let's take a look here, draw another extension. We're going to use this swing high down to this swing low. Okay, back up to this swing high. So here are our sellers right here. Okay, let's take this one step further, draw in another retracement from this high down to this low. We should hold at the 61.8, 41.54. Right now we're pushing at the 50. So if this were to play out, typically we have leg 1, leg 2, and then we have another leg. This could go down to 41.19. Again, maybe stretch down back down to this 200 exponential. Okay, so usually this is how it looks in 3 legs to the downside. So with that being said here, traders, let's take a look at our targets. Okay, so we need to, we could see market push up a little bit higher, 51.54, or I'm sorry, 41.54. Let's see if we hold there. Okay, and then so 100 extension's already been met here, but so back into the ballpark of the 41.20. This is 41.19. Okay, so this is target number 2. So we'll see for today on the 4-hour chart on ES if we can get this target met. 41.19 is our target. Okay, let's take a look here. What have we got going on NQ? All right, NQ, potential setup on the 4-hour, 240-minute chart. Let's take a look. All right, so here would be our setup if this were to trigger. I'm going to take this swing from here, project it back up. Okay, these are our buyers, though. We have to hold. Our buyers are right here at 13,953. Okay. Let's draw in. Actually, let's see where the 61.8 is. So let's take from the swings here. Aha, okay, actually, you know what, we could, if the market wanted to, this can retrace all the way up to 61.8. Okay, so that's 13,997. All right, so this is one level of buying, and so therefore if it does, it's going to trigger more than likely to the 13,997. All right, so but this is the invalidation level for this swing though. Okay, if price action trades above here at 13,932, then this is null and void. Okay, but since we're not there yet, we're going to go ahead and do estimated price projection as well. All right, so we're kind of sandwiched here on this trade here. So this is the invalidation level here, traders. If price goes above here, this is null and void, and we truly don't have a close yet. Here's our sellers, so it's almost like here's our buyers, here's our sellers. Okay, so we held on the 50 exponential moving, or 50 Fibonacci. All right. If this were to trigger here, traders, 100 extension is your first target. It's also in alignment with S3 as well as a 200 exponential moving average. That's 13,6 13,595, and then target 2 would be the 13,598. All right, so let's see how nothing has been triggered on this, but this is a potential setup. Again, the key point to pay attention to is this invalidation level here. If we trade above here, it's null and void. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. RTY, let's take a look here. RTY, all of our targets been met on the short side. Yesterday on the video, I said we had targets 22.39, 22.28, and right now we're rocking and rolling down at our 200 extension. Target 3 has been met. However, if I delete all of these, let's take a look. We do have another setup here. Potentially, everything is potentially here. This market is bull markets. Pullbacks are very, very shallow, and so you can definitely get a little bit of whipsaw here. All right, so we need a solid close here. Target 1 here, well, same thing, 22.08. Here's our target 2 here on RTY here, traders 21.97. Target 3, 21.81. So let's see how this goes. And so these are your targets for the day. Nothing has been triggered yet on NQ. We'll be back tomorrow to see how that goes. All of our targets were met as yesterday, so we're rocking and rolling. Happy Tuesday, traders, and we'll be back tomorrow.